Thank you, Mother, for teaching me to lift my heart in praise, how to show my gratitude for the abundance that will come, lifting our hearts in praise, filling our spirit with gladness for the blessing of the beauty way. Satnam. Our 12th gathering of our 13 Moons Divine Women's Circle is a celebration of life's wisdom with the medicine of Gives Praise Woman. She is going to offer us an experience of how to make space for authentic expressions of sharing gratitude to receive further abundance. Her medicines are of healing and gratitude, and her color is purple. She reminds us that we are to be grateful for what we can give away, as well as being thankful for the gifts of life that we receive. In this way, we create the circle of giving and receiving, allowing us to share freely. She is the guardian of ritual and ceremony. We are offered healing in every experience that we encounter in our lives, whether it's positive and what we experience as challenges, which bring lessons on how to develop our inner strength. In this circle, we will explore how to create a magical shift of consciousness within a deepening awareness of our spiritual evolution on our pathway of peace. Creating awareness and conversation on the importance of setting aside time for celebrating the gifts in our lives. Right attitude and a change of heart have created more miracles in people's lives with healing and new paths to follow. We will celebrate who we are and give thanks for the lives we are leading in the healing process of being human. I will be offering Kundalini Yoga, meditation, and breathwork practices to experience victory, all while praising each other, which will ensure the movement of humankind toward unity. Light dinner served, BOGO offer for your kindred sister. Let us gather once more and sing the truth of thankfulness. This is Friday the 13th, 6 to 8:30 p.m. Satnam.